Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi Poco F4 GT smartphone, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, swipe down in order for the notification and control center to appear, or in case you have the following layout of your status bar, just tap on its right side, or should I say swipe from its right side. Here locate the Wi-Fi shortcut, tap and hold on it in order for the Wi-Fi menu to appear. Choose the network that you would like to share the password of. In my case it's going to be the HardReset.Info _5G. Tap on this network and as you will see, you will be provided with the QR code to scan. So take the second smartphone that you were to share the network password with, and in my case it's going to be the Nokia Android smartphone. Open any QR code scanner on it. I'll use the camera inbuilt Google Lens. Frame the QR code, tap on it. Let's try one more time. Tap on it. And as you will see, this join network button will appear, so tap on this particular button. And as you will see yourself, our Nokia smartphone has been successfully connected to the HardReset.Info 5G network. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.